Welcome to Daily English with Manoj. Honestly, Sam, I looked at that AI-generated short film last night, and it's getting harder to tell where the machine ends and the artist begins. Does it ever feel like we're just curators now?
I think curator is a bit reductive, Alex. Think of it as a creative amplifier. We've always used tools. Cameras, synthesizers, CGI. AI is just a tool that speaks our language.
But those tools didn't have opinions. If I tell an AI to make a scene melancholic, it decides the lighting, the color palette, and the pacing based on millions of other people's ideas of sadness. Isn't that losing the human spark?
Only if you let it have the last word. The spark isn't in the brushstroke, it's in the intent. You're the one deciding why the scene needs to be sad. The AI just handles the heavy lifting of the how. It's democratizing storytelling.
I get that. It's powerful. But I worry we're heading toward a feedback loop where AI learns from AI, and everything starts to look like a polished average version of everything else. Originality feels at risk.
That's exactly why the human element is more valuable than ever. Our job isn't to compete with the speed of the algorithm, it's to provide the subtext, the weirdness, and the lived experience that a machine doesn't have.
So, it's not the end of the artist, it's just the end of the artist's excuses?
Exactly. The canvas is infinite now. The only question left is, what do you actually have to say?
Follow for more powerful content and daily English learning.